This morning I'm making a hearty lasagna, such a classic recipe. So in a large pan I've got 500 grams of beef mince. I'm just going to start browning through the mince. While that's browning away, I've got 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped up and an onion. Mine's a sort of medium-sized onion, just use half an onion if yours is quite big. Also got a grated carrot, and I want to chop up a capsicum. This is quite a large one, so I'm just going to use half. Just check my mince. Yep, that's browned through. Looking good. Clean bowl, and we'll just pour this into the bowl and set it to one side, because then I'm going to use the same pan to continue making the rest of this red sauce. Or into the pan then, the 3 cloves of garlic, chopped onion, and my chopped up capsicum, a cup and a half of spinach. And then we're just going to cook this down probably about 2 or 3 minutes until all the veggies soften. So I've got here 170 grams of tomato paste, also a tin of diced tomatoes. Pour that straight into the pan. I've got 3/4 of a cup of stock, and I've got my grated carrot. 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs I'm using here. You could use Italian seasoning if you like, and a bit of salt and pepper. I'll give that a good stir down. That's cooked down nicely. Got my cooked mince here. Just going to stir it through. Now let's make our bechamel or white sauce. It's really simple. There's only 3 ingredients: flour, milk, butter. 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm just going to cook that until it's melted. I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of flour, just plain flour. And you want to be whisking it all the time. Slowly add in 2.5 cups of milk. You want to be whisking all the time. This sauce is finished. It's thickened up nicely. Just a quick bit of salt and pepper in here. Got a pan which I've just lightly sprayed with oil, and we're going to start layering up. These are the pasta sheets that you don't need to pre-cook. So in goes some pasta. Let's break it off a little bit there. Layer on lots of this. And I'm going to do 3 layers, so I'll just mentally portion it out as we go. So I'm going to go pasta, meat, white sauce, sprinkle cheese on top, and then repeat it 2 more times. Here's my finished hearty lasagna, layers of tasty beef mince in a nice sauce, flavoured with carrots, spinach, capsicum and herbs.